The Spirit of St. Louis is the custom-built, single-engine, single-seat, high-wing monoplane that was flown by Charles Lindberg on May 20–21, 1927. On the first solo non-stop transatlantic flight from Long Island, New York, to Paris, France, for which Lindberg won the $25,000 Orteig Prize. Lindberg took off in the Spirit from Roosevelt Airfield, Garden City, New York, and landed 33 hours, 30 minutes later at Aéroport Le Bourget in Paris, France, a distance of approximately 3,600 miles. Thank you for watching.